AfroSkills invites you to its week dedicated to the discovery of African skills in several areas of entrepreneurship and innovation. Africa Skills Week is about identifying and supporting innovative and entrepreneurial ideas brought by African students, researchers, and entrepreneurs from the continent and the diaspora in areas such as agribusiness, environment and sanitation, health and wellness, mechanics and robotics, oil and gas, mining, renewable energy, digital economy, art, culture, and many others. For this exclusive online edition, Africa Skills Week will feature a conference and networking sessions, an innovation exhibition, the finals of the Great African Business Ideas Competition, and a masterclass on local content in Africa. From December 7 to 10, 2022, you are invited to advance knowledge and skills strategies in Africa. Come and meet the challenges of African innovations. This will be an opportunity to position your brands and increase the visibility of your activities and companies to millions of online visitors. To participate, visit the website events.afroskills.org or contact us on email events@afroskills.org or call the numbers +237 674 010 898, or you can equally join us via the numbers +32 465 553 063. You could equally call us on the numbers +49 172 953 6179. AfroSkills Week is the crossroads for African knowledge institutions, opinion leaders, knowledge seekers, and many other stakeholders. Africa Skills Week, the reference for skills and knowledge in Africa.